Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. I am Malika Taveras. I'm a grade 4 student at Tarbiyah School. It is my immense pleasure and honor to introduce Senator David McBride. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Senator David McBride.
Everybody, good afternoon. How are you doing? It's great. What a beautiful day. And I thank you for the privilege to make some brief comments today. But more importantly, thank you to all of you for being here to convey unity and solidarity. This beautiful building behind me is the most public of spaces in the state of Delaware. It is truly the people's house, and it must always be a welcoming beacon for all Delawareans. Right here. It is my sincere hope that it is a prism through which it is seen by all of you who are gathered here today. We are here today to celebrate our diversity and stand in solidarity with our Muslim American friends. We are also here, first and foremost, to affirm that we are all Delawareans. And bluntly, we would like and be doing a disservice to our forefathers who helped make us the first state to ratify the Constitution if we didn't work every single day to uphold the foundational document's sacred language. There are a few things more essential to the Constitution's principles than tolerance and religious freedom, and I'm glad that we are here today to demonstrate our commitment to these values by hearing from our faith leaders that spoke and have reflected on the diversity of our state. I am very proud to have had the honor and privilege for 39 years to represent a diverse legislative district, and I believe Muslims that live, work, and pray in my district represent the best traditions that we have in the state of Delaware. As I've said before and we heard today, Muslims Americans have served as veterans, police, counterterrorism officers, teachers, doctors, attorneys, and entrepreneurs. Some even work here, we met one today, at Legislative Hall. I'm proud to work with them and to know them. And lastly, I'm proud of the dialogue we're having today, and I hope that this dialogue can continue respectfully and openly as we forge all together. Let me see those signs one more time in unity. Beautiful. Thank you so very much. God bless you.